Hey guys, good morning. Today I have woken up a little bit earlier than my usual time because I have a reformer Pilates class. It's a new studio that has opened around in Kolkata. It's called Inhale Exhale Studio, and there is a trial session round that they're hosting probably to promote the studio. And I messaged them a few days back on Instagram, and then they messaged me back on WhatsApp. So my friend and I, we are going to that trial session round. So that's why I'm getting ready for the day. It's a 45 minutes to 50 minutes class. So after that, we have planned on getting some lunch together. So that's what today is going to look like. I have already worn my yoga pants, but I'm going to change the t-shirt when I reach the studio. And I'm also bringing a pair of jeans for later on. I'm quickly doing my skincare, and after this, I'm going to have my breakfast. And my friend is going to come here in an Uber, and she's going to pick me up, and then we're going to head out. The studio is actually in Newtown or Rajarhat or some area, so it's very far from where we live. So I don't think we will be able to do any weekly classes, but they have those classes like you pay for the class that you go to as well. So I'm thinking if I like today's class, I'll see how I end up enjoying today, because I've never tried reformer Pilates before, but I have seen videos so much all throughout YouTube and Instagram. I wanted to try for the longest time. So I'm going to see if I end up enjoying it. So then I'll probably do once a month or maybe twice a month, depending on. It's very expensive. That's also very like a statement that I need to clear up, that the classes are super expensive. It might be even more expensive if you live somewhere like in Mumbai or Bangalore or somewhere like that. Like if Kolkata is this expensive, I can only imagine how the other studios might be. But yeah, anyways, let's get getting ready. Guys, don't forget your SPF. It's summertime still, and even if it's gloomy right now, you still should wear it. Breakfast is served. I'm having some toast, eggs, a little bit of cucumber and a banana. I have my water for hydration, and I'm going to read a few pages of the pivot here. Let's do a quick what's in my bag. So this is the bag I'm carrying. I bought this from Max, and it holds so many things. So I've got my keys and wallets, my tripod stand, a little bit of makeup, my umbrella, some deodorant and body mist, and my water bottle. And I've also got a pair of jeans for later on in the bag already. Hi guys. Hello. We are headed to the studio, and we are already late. It's already time for our class. Just like always, we are late. We are always late. I feel like we were shooting this in Pondicherry, and we were late for the sunset. And we missed it. We missed it. And now we are again late.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
इसको देखिए बॉडी आगे है कि बॉडी पीछे है तो स्ट्रेट है ना ये बोलेंगे ना हाँ बेटा मेडिस लीजिए हाँ फुल कीजिए फुल के साथ आपको स्क्वाट करना है गुड
Got this protein drink as well, so it's supposed to be zero added sugar and 20 grams of protein. How do you like the class?
I really love the ambience. It's so
Yeah, the
nice.
studio is so nice. We're heading out now for actual lunch.
Me and Yashini, we tried Pilates for the first
Reformer
time.
Pilates.
हाँ क्या?
Reformer
Reformer,
Pilates. Because
reformer.
Pilates can also be on the yoga mats. This is with the machines.
Oh yeah, so this is with the machine, and I tried Pilates for the first time. It was super intense, and
And
I
this was only
sweat-
the first class. Oh, the first few exercises were fine.
Yeah, it was
then
very
like the
relaxing.
third and fourth exercise, it was a little.
we were sweating like anything,
Yeah.
and I have all the clips. So you know, you will have fun watching me dying
Struggle.
almost.
I almost fell one time.
Oh yes.
I probably have that clip. So
Yes, but it's fun. So it's a fun Saturday. We just worked out early in the morning. Early
not.
for-
It's 1 p.m. class.
whatever. It's a weekend, but we tried something fun and it's healthy and. अरे माची क्या होगा और वीडियो
Now we are going to have lunch. We are going
Yeah.
to Blue Tokai. We are just waiting for our Uber.
yeah.
আমরা ওয়ার্কআউট করে এসেছি। Hello.
Hello. We are ending our trip. A trip.
We're ending our day out together.
Yes.
We got a few stuff. This is donuts.
And this
And-
is sardo.
So
Dodo.
healthy and
Delicious.
delicious. Healthy and non-healthy together.
True that. But yeah, we are ending our day. Bye bye.
Got back home from our outing, and from Blue Tokai I got myself a sourdough bread. This is my first time getting a sourdough bread, so I want to try different sandwich recipes and just have it on its own as well. So this is the sourdough bread that they use in their sandwiches. There were a few different flavors as well, but I got this one. And from Mad Over Donuts, Mad Over Donuts, I got myself a salted caramel donut, which I will have at night as dessert. But this was a full day of outing, living life like a Pilates princess kind of outing. I don't know if I want to continue. I want to go to the reformer Pilates class again. Maybe not this month. Maybe in the next month. It's very costly, like I already previously mentioned, and it's so far that like the only option to go there is by Uber, because there's nothing else that goes in that area. But yeah, so the Uber is also very costly, going there, coming back. Like the whole thing will just cost like around 2000, not maybe 2000, like 1500 to 1700 the whole day. So not sure, but they did say like if we are coming they will give us a little bit of discount or something like that. So we'll see, maybe in September before Pujo we might go once more, because oh my god, the studio was amazing. It's so pretty, so beautiful. The vibe there was just top notch. If I have not mentioned the studio, it's called Inhale Exhale Studio. I will link their Insta in my bio as well. You can check it out. And if you're near the Rajarhat area, it's Action Area 2 or something like that. Anyways, if you're near that area, maybe you can actually go visit. They also do air yoga, normal yoga, mat pilates, ice baths and stuff like that. So it's a very nice studio. But yeah, anyways, now I'm going to quickly freshen up and start editing this vlog only, and I will see you all later in next week's video. Do like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you've ever tried reformer Pilates. How did you like it? Did you find it difficult? The first few exercises were really fine, like not that difficult, but then like it became more difficult, and obviously it was only like a beginner's class kind of thing. If I continue doing this, I know that it will get quite difficult. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to freshen up right now. It's 6:30, so I have the whole evening to myself, and I'll see you all later, and bye.